Hello everyone. Now you're watching Zeal News. I am Vaishnavi Deshmukh, your host with October bulletins from Zeal Junior College, Sangli. So let's move towards the headlines. Zeal negotiates first parents-teachers meet for grade 11 stakeholders. Zeal Commerce stream tabulates educational excursion to Gujarat. Zeal collocates general health checkup in the premises. Zeal 12th grade students appear first preliminary exam 2023. Now headlines in details. Education is a partnership between parents, teachers and students, lightening the path to a brighter future. The parents-teachers meeting is an integral part of a student's life. Moreover, it sheds light on what a student is doing in school. Therefore, it is the school's responsibility to arrange a parents-teachers meeting. The school invites parents through a formal letter in parents-teachers meetings. Moreover, this letter has all the details about the meeting. Hence, the school must write it appropriately. For instance, we have given parents-teachers meeting format for you. This format will help you write a good letter inviting the parents.
7th October 2023, Zeal Junior College had its first parents-teachers meeting for the year 2023 for grade 11th. Around 150 parents attended the PTM. The college science coordinator Dr. Alvin Singh Sir and administrative officer Mr. Abhay Bhilavde Sir welcomed all the parents and introduced the new changes in the administration to the parents.
They then talked about the importance of PTM meetings and the research-based proofs on the benefits of such meetings on children. They stressed on the children being the most important and thus the importance of need of collaborative teamwork by the parents as well as teachers due to the constant change in the society. They further requested the parents to keep a close vigilance on the actions of their child and to further keep in constant touch with the house mothers and teachers. The meeting helped to create better understanding between parents and teachers and build harmonious relationship between the school and the community. The best education you'll get is from traveling. Nothing teaches you more than exploring the world and accumulating experiences. Zeal Junior College of Commerce conducted an educational tour on 7th October 2023 to 11th October 2023 for first year and second year students. About 60 students and 6 faculty members had participated in the excursion. The main purpose of the tour was to integrate the practical and academic knowledge. Students had visited a large step well. The atmosphere inside the well is 6 degrees cooler than the outside. Another remarkable feature of this step well is that out of many step wells in Gujarat, it is the only one with 3 entrance stairs. All 3 stairs meet at the first story, underground in a huge square platform which has an octagonal opening on top. This step well is a spectacular example of Indo-Islamic architecture and design. Amul Plants was the place where students witnessed the entire process of collection of milk to the final production and refrigeration of all the milk products like chocolates, cheese, milk powder, butter, etc. It was interesting to know that both Amul export its food products to many countries worldwide. We further made a quick move to Statue of Unity, the tallest statue in the world. The gallery of this place gave several informations about formation of statue and also about the Sardar Dam through paintings and PPTs. It offers its visitors a variety of entertainment options for people of all age. It was a proud moment to know about country's heritage. Each day of the trip added to learning and enriched the experience. With all these above learning experiences, students left the great city and reached back to the college. Good health is not something we can buy. However, it can be an extremely valuable savings account. The health checkup program started at around 10:30 am at Health Camp site in Zeal Junior College. along with Dr. Prasad Patil and Mrs. Patil Lady, Medical Officer of Panchayat Samiti Miraj under the program of Rashtriya Bal Vikas Abhiyan. General health checkup was done for ZEAL students. 350 students enrolled their names for camp, out of which 350 for general health checkup and 350 for dental checkup. Free drugs were dispensed. Main complaints among the students' population were related to a back pain and knee pain and were treated symptomatically. All students were screened for hypertension and follow-up was done for known hypertensives. Students with altered findings and poor adherence in the old treatment were referred to higher centers for further need. Complaints regarding vision and other ophthalmic complaints were screened and treated by ophthalmologists from Dr. Prasad Patil and Mrs. Patil. Dental problems were assessed and treated by Department of Community Dentistry from Panchayat Samiti Miraj. Students of ZEAL Junior College of classes 11th and 12th are also underwent general health checkup. Mrs. Patil gave talk to girls regarding menstruation and menstrual hygiene. She gave talk to boys about general hygiene and substance abuse. Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. ZEAL Junior College conducted the first preliminary examination from 25th October 2023 to 3rd November 2023. The exam was conducted in the afternoon session. Our devoted educators completed their subject syllabus smoothly to prepare students for board and competitive examinations. To accomplish the vision and mission of the stakeholders, we ensure overall development of our students through curricular and extracurricular activities. We are committed to provide quality education to our students and help them attain their highest potentials. Knowledge and learning are two aspects which are long-run processes, and education is not only to entitle a job but also for better future prospects. We have a dedicated team of education who strive hard to provide students with updated knowledge and skill that would help our students face the competitive world. Our faculties prepared them with restless efforts to conquer the world with zeal excellency. So ZEAL created such passionate students a fabulous platform to set benchmark to their followers. JEE, NEET and CET is their ultimate aim. Our students studied day and night by restlessly to be written the golden history with flying colors by setting All India rank in top level. As we know, in October month, ZEAL conducted subjective, objective and grand tests. So it's time to declare the result. From PCM 11th, Master Sharvil Rajendra Pawar secured first rank respectively in all category tests. From PCB 11th, Master Sharvan Rajendra Pawar secured first rank respectively in all category tests. From PCM 12th, Master Tejas Abhay Bhilavde secured first rank respectively in all category tests. From PCB 12th, Ms. Ajiza Adil Sheikh secured first rank respectively in all category tests. This is all from the month of October. We will see you soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you very much.